You excited? All right, Presley and I are at Air Raid here in London, Kentucky. It's a trampoline park. Pretty much supposed to be like a sky zone, which she's never been to. You excited? Trampoline park. Yeah, pretty much like a sky zone, which she's never been to either. I've never been to a sky zone either. But Air Raid, London, Kentucky. You excited? She's very excited. She has a jump time of 2 hours today from 4 to 6 p.m. You excited? Yeah. All right, let's get in there. All right, Presley got her socks on. Let's see them. Yeah, Air Raid, and they're the grippy socks. Have little grippies on them. You excited? Presley's real excited. Gotta wait her turn. Look at that big old Rubik's Cube thing they got going on. I think you can climb up it. Oh, no climbing or touching. Must be just for display. But you got an arcade here. We're just waiting on her turn. 4 o'clock, they're going to call blue. But they gave us a red. Where's your wristband? Yeah. They said they're all out of blue, but when they call blue, that's us. You ready? Here in a little bit. It's 3:55 right now, so it'll be only about 5 minutes. You all right? You jumped in there. Is that fun? Huh? Big old foam blocks, huh? You can jump in there again if you want. Jump in again? Go ahead. If you want, go ahead. Jump in. I see ya. Where'd Presley go? Where's Presley? Oh no. All right, get up. You don't know when to jump on you. Come on. I see ya. Go jump out on the trampolines. Presley's trying her hand at the obstacle course. The BOSU balls are a little inflated or deflated. Whatever Tom Brady did, that's what they are. They're supposed to be pretty bouncy, Presley. Seriously, that Rubik's Cube tower is pretty big. I think it's just for display. Yeah, pretty cool though. Yeah, that's really big. There goes Presley into some netting. And also this floor that I'm walking on, really soft. If you look closely, you can see Presley in there. In there somewhere. Presley's struggling over here. You all right? Come on. You all right? You can get out. You having fun in there? I see you. I see ya. Let's jump. You're all right, you can do it. Just jump in there, it's foam. Just jump in there. Go on, I got you. Come on. Go, it's foam. You can do it. Go on. She's too scared. You can jump in through there. You can do it. Ain't scary. It's foam. Just jump straight down there. There you go. I would have probably tried jumping a little farther, but you did good. Was that fun? Huh? Try it again. Try jumping a little farther though. You did good though, you did good. All right. Woo! Real good. Presley, you can try walking across that. You gonna try it? Or you could try jumping off that one over there. You wanna try that other one over there? That one's much higher up. Do you think you can do it? I don't know, it's much higher. Do you wanna try it? Do you wanna try it? It's much higher. You can do it. You can do it, yeah. It is much higher though. But you can do it. It won't be that bad. Stand up though, stand up. Stand up and jump. It's all foam, you'll be all right. Stand up. You don't want to do it? It is pretty high up. They even have a rock wall. You can try climbing up that as best as you can. This is a pretty decent sized facility. You got it? You can try getting as high as you can. I still think you should try that. I think you should try it. You can do it. You're not going to be able to get that, the bar. Yeah, you're supposed to grab on that bar and swing, but not going to be able to. But you can still jump. You gonna do it? All right, I think Presley's gonna try it. You gotta stand up. Stand up and jump. You wanna sit down? You can do it, you can do it. It's all foam. Whoa, Presley did it. You did it. I would have stood up, but you did it. But at least you tried it. Well, you did it. You didn't just try it, you did it. Another thing, parents, if you're wondering if you have to jump, no you don't. I'm not jumping today. They have a black platform that goes around literally everywhere where you can walk and not have to worry about, you don't have to jump in. If you jump in, you gotta pay. I'm not doing that today, I'm just walking on the platform. But yeah, parents, you can monitor your kids on the black platform, and it goes around every attraction, So for example, if they go out here, you can stand here and watch them. So you can easily monitor your kids. See what I mean? There's other parents monitoring their kids. And they even have some benches. I wish they had more benches, but they have some benches you can sit at, as you can see. They got old Shania playing. Hopefully this don't copyright my video. All right, Presley's attempting again. You can do it. You've done it before, you can do it. I think it won't be as scary if you stand up and try just jumping. It's all foam, you're not gonna hurt yourself. You'll be all right. You don't wanna do it? That's all right. There's a bunch of other things you could do. They really got the bass boosted. I really hope this don't copyright my video.
Air Raid Radio. Do you have social media? Follow us now on
Facebook,
Instagram, and Twitter for upcoming events.
Your socks.
Also,
yeah, your socks look, I think they got them a little too big. I said 12s because of your boots, but it's all right. They may shrink in the dryer. Now they got old Bee Gees playing, all the copyrighted music. See what I mean? They literally, I do appreciate that, how they have some standing areas for parents that aren't jumping. They can easily monitor their kids. I'm watching you. I got you. Woo! That's pretty good. Go ahead. You can do it. Go on. Stand up and jump. You're all right, she did it. Hang on, wait a minute. You're okay, you can do it. You're all right. Just do it. Just do it. You'll be all right. You don't want to do it? All right, well, come on then. I see ya. You want to jump into there? She'll do that one, no issues, no problems. But that one, well, you guys already saw it, you should have. Yeah, she sat on the edge and then fell off. Practically fell off, kinda, not really. I'm trying to get her to run and jump off of that. She keeps attempting to go back up there, but she keeps coming down. She's only done it one time. Presley's out there running. She's out there. You can jump in there. You can do it. Woo, you did a backwards jump that time. Woo, you did it. You backward jump. Presley was going to, you don't want to try it? No, too scary. She's going to attempt the little rope there. Presley's American Ninja Warrior, doing some training for the TV show. Is that TV show still around? I'm not too sure, but Presley's in the training. Presley's right there. Like I said, she is in the training to be an American Ninja Warrior. Used to love that show. I seriously wonder if it's still a thing. Like American Gladiator, that used to be a good show too. Oh, don't think she was expecting that. All right, apparently I'm being told that I can step across here, so we're going to do that. Presley, step across here. Oh, all right, Presley, I see you. I'm waiting on you. This little platform here. Yeah, I love that. I love how they have easily accessible areas for parents to be able to monitor their kids. I really do like that. Come here. You okay? Come here. What happened? You're all right. What happened? You're okay. I think it just scared you. You fell back. I didn't get it on video. It's all right. Oh, your arm. You'll be all right. Throw some dirt on it. You'll be all right. Throw some dirt on it. Throw some foam on it. All right. I want to go ahead and go out of here now. Presley's hey. It's all right. Yep. Why don't you try that? Try the basketball hoop. Presley. Presley. Try this one out. Hey, over here. Over here. Try that one out, that basketball hoop. Close, you can try it again. You can jump. Oh yeah, you threw it through the hoop. You made it through it, huh? I think Presley's getting wore out and tired. I think so. That's good. Get you something to eat after this, go home, take a bath, and get to bed. We was going to go to the Palace Arcade today, but I think we'll wait. We'll do that for another day. She's had a lot of fun today, and I think she'd enjoy having fun a different day. So we'll save the Palace Arcade another day, another video. What are you doing? You just thinking, reflecting, resting. I think Presley's wore out. Presley's tired. Presley's real tired, huh? As you can see, a lot of parents are just lounged out right there in the middle on those little platforms. Nothing wrong with that. But yeah, there's a lot of area for parents to monitor their kids. So if you are interested in coming here, no need to worry about that. You can monitor your kids easily. And if you are wondering, they do have a toddler zone. They have dodgeball. They have a little bit of everything here. They even have a jungle gym kids can run through, and a little playground equipment. I see ya. I'm watching you. Seriously, these floors, I was walking them in my socks. But I've seen a lot of parents not have their socks on. Like, I'm not jumping today, so I have my regular socks. So I just went ahead and put my Crocs back on. Well, at first when I came, I was walking and I'm like, I don't know if you just walk with your shoes on this. But I've seen other parents doing it with no issues. So I am watching you. So I ended up putting my Crocs back on. But this floor, it is very soft. It's like foam. Very soft. Press said she wants me to watch her, but I am watching her. All right, Presley has 19 minutes left until 6 o'clock. 19 minutes left, so told her to do what she wanted to do before we go. They even have an arcade, guys, so if you're interested in that, they got that. Parents, they have massage chairs. They even have these cubbies where you can put your stuff. We already did that when we came in. Social medias, if you're interested in that. It really is a pretty good place. I actually believe, yeah, this big old, I think this actually used to be a climbing thing because it has the little pegs. I could be wrong, but I think it used to be a climbing exhibit. Either way, it's really, really tall. Yeah, the arcade, it's a little arcade, nothing too crazy, but still they got some machines. Their arcade painting on the wall has one of the Ninja Turtles on it. Not sure which one it is. He has the blue band. Michelangelo, Raphael, I don't know which one it is, but they have a Ninja Turtle on the wall painted. Just waiting on Presley. She's in this playground thing. We only got about 13 minutes or so left till 6. Yeah, dodgeball is a game that they have here that's set up. I believe they have a worker in there. That's a court monitor. Honestly, a lot of the workers here are on their phones, to be honest with you. And then here's the kids' court Presley's currently in now. Presley's over there stacking some blocks. A lot of the blocks ended up out of the pit. But Presley's over there stacking some blocks. She's having a good old time. And like I mentioned, there's massage chairs up there. Obviously, it's going to cost money. I'm not too sure how much, but yeah, easily can be monitored. Your kids can easily be monitored. So once again, I can't stress that enough, parents. You'll be able to easily monitor your kids, even if you don't pay to jump. At this point, Presley's just pretty much cleaning up all the blocks with some other kid. Only got about 10 minutes left, Presley. She's playing cleanup. All right, Presley, come on now. She's attempting to get the last 4, and I think she's doing it. She's getting the last 4 of them. Oh, she dropped one. All right, Presley cleaned up most of those foam pit balls. You can do it, Presley. Go on. You can do it. Come on, Presley, you can do it. Come on. Mambo number 5 is playing. All right, Presley's going to do the trusty jump that she knows. Go ahead. Go on, Presley. You know this jump. You can do it. You've done it already. Oh, I'll count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go on. Oh, Presley, it's been a while since she's done it. She's chickening out, getting scared now. You can do it. Go on. Woo! You did it. All right, go on. 3, 2, 1. Woo! Presley did it. The sock fall off again? That's all right. It's been happening. It happened to someone else in this same pit. All I still think you should attempt that one again. You did it once. I think you should run and jump off of it.
Concession stand located near the front desk.
Now try the rock wall.
Contenders, pretzels, nachos, and for that sweet tooth, we have Pepsi products, bottled water, and slush puppies. Come get your fill now.
We only got about 5 minutes left.
Take away here on Air Raid Radio.
About 5 minutes and we gotta go. So pretty, here's the toddler zone, by the way. But yeah, pretty big place they got going on here. Really big place. Come on. Need help? Need help? One kid was struggling over there earlier. Right there, someone lost a sock. Wasn't you though, Presley. I don't know who it was, but. I think I'm gonna sit down here for a minute. Whew. My legs are hurting. I'm just walking around. Speaking of lost socks, there's another lost one right there. Socks are $3. You get to keep them. At the time of recording this video, they're $3. You get to keep them. You can use them for next time. They have concessions as well, eating area. We're about to leave, we're about to wrap it up, but yeah, it's a pretty good place in my opinion. They have a water fountain, but we brought a drink. She has been drinking from the water fountain, but we brought our own drink, our own water. What? At school, yeah, you got them water fountain at school, yeah. All right, well, we're getting out of here now. Air Raid, London, Kentucky. You have fun? You had a good time? Yeah, time to go get something to eat now, huh? It was fun. All right, 5:57. That clock's wrong. It is really 6:01. Huh? Yeah, I know it's dark outside, huh? It was light when we came in. But yeah, Air Raid, London, Kentucky. Here's a winter membership. $75 for 3 months, January through March. Prices are going to vary. For her today, it was $25 with like tax, and that included her socks. So next time, we won't have to pay for the socks. We'll just choose no socks option because she'll have her own. And it'll be, I think, $21, $22 next time. But yeah, Air Raid, London, Kentucky. You had a good time? Was it fun? Yeah, you're hungry? What do you want? Do you want McDonald's? We're still, I know they have food here, but we're gonna go get something else somewhere. We're gonna go get something else. No, because you're picky and you're very picky. And I don't wanna get something in there that you don't know and wouldn't eat. So you can get whatever. You can get McDonald's, Wendy's, whatever you're wanting. We're still waiting on Popeyes. We're supposed to get a Popeyes. Popeyes is supposed to be done and put in. It's pretty much already done. But January 19th, January 15th. So in a couple weeks, we're getting Popeyes. You excited for the Popeyes we're getting? We're gonna have Popeyes, London, Kentucky. Right now, we gotta drive to Somerset, or Berea has one. But Somerset, they got the good Goodwill. So we always hit it. Whenever we go to Somerset, we always hit up the big Goodwill, the good one, the good Goodwill, and the expensive Goodwill. That Goodwill's so expensive. It's a super store, super Goodwill, they call it. And we always hit up Popeyes. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for this one. A lot of the reviews that I saw about this place is a lot of the workers are on their phones, a lot of teenagers. And it's true, hate to say it, but it's true. A lot of them are just on their phones. But you know what? It was an all right time. I personally had a good time, and that's what matters. You had a good time? Yeah. Pretty cool. Let's get in the van. Let's go ahead and end the video. Remember what we say?
See you guys next video.
So yeah, so catch you. That's going to wrap it up for this one.
Catch you guys next video.
Catch you guys in the next video.